What the heck? Little insects in my lawn. They're jumping everywhere. These essentially could lead to sod webworm. Okay, lawn journey friends, it's Russ. Welcome back. I invite you guys to subscribe to the channel, like the video, give me a little feedback. Feel free to leave comments. So as you can see, I am somewhat infested with a lawn moth. They are tiny little creatures, but I equate them to a tiny white moth. And as I walk through the lawn in certain areas, they're popping out. I'm a little bit concerned because it can potentially be a sod web worm because these little moths will lay eggs in the lawn. The sod web worms will then hatch and they can do some damage to your turf. So what I've elected to do today, regardless, just to play it safe, I'm going to be treating my lawn with Triazicide. Triazicide is a Spectracide product. It's a concentrate. Because the lawn moths are above surface, it is a little cloudy here today, but I'll be applying a topical treatment using my backpack sprayer. I'll be applying the product according to the product label directions. I believe it is 6 ounces per gallon, which is rated at 6 ounces per 1,000 square feet. This application, I'm targeting the moths. So I do not want to water it for 24 hours. It can be watered in tomorrow. We did have some rain overnight, but we're not supposed to get any more rain today in Jersey. So I checked the weather map and I should be good. The objective is to knock the moths out, destroy them before they lay more eggs. The Triazicide will also work its way into the soil with the next application. I'll be using my backpack sprayer today. Okay, so you guys know I purchased that backpack sprayer. I have the Flowzone Typhoon 2. It works very well, and I'll be doing some biostims with it. So we're gonna mix this stuff up. We're gonna get the application down, and I will share the results in this video. A couple days, I'll come back out and we'll take a look at the problem area again and see if the moths have been destroyed. All right, team. So here's the plan. I gotta get rid of these lawn moths. So what I am going to be doing today is using my Flowzone Typhoon 2. I'll be applying an application of microgreen at 4 ounces per 1,000. So in this 4 gallons, which should treat 4,000 square feet, I will be using 16 ounces of microgreen. The instructions on the Triazicide for sod webworm is 6 ounces per 1,000. So we'll be looking at 24 ounces of Triazicide for every 4 gallons. You can apply this with a hose end sprayer. There are instructions. If you have the ortho sprayer, you can also apply this to plants. Okay, and you guys have seen me do this many times before. The microgreen is the goodness. So I'm going to be going 4 ounces per 1,000. And it is recommended that you leave the microgreen topically on the lawn for 24 hours before watering it in. So this is the perfect combination to use with the Triazicide today. I have about 1 gallon in my backpack sprayer already. So I'm going to pour my microgreen through. As I said, the Triazicide is 6 ounces per 1,000 according to the instructions. So I'm going to be going 24. Give it a little agitation. Very careful with the microgreen, what you combine with the microgreen. I've had a lot of cases where it kind of coagulates and then it's not sprayable. I just did a unboxing review of this. You guys can link to it above. Very happy. Backpack sprayer. I have my T-Jet nozzle on it. Let's go out and take care of some moths. slow zone. It's what's for dinner. So what I found with my backpack sprayer is I can definitely walk at a slower pace. It's a more comfortable pace, still covering the same amount of square footage. But I actually feel as though doing a more thorough application. Turf's looking a little ravaged right now. We just had like an inch and a half of rain. And it's very wet out here right now. I see very few lawn moths in my backyard area. This is my rough terrain area. I'll be working on this fall, filling in some of the holes and overseeding again. Got a little extra product, so I'm gonna apply it in my problem area. I already see the moth activity has decreased since my initial spray. All right, team, that's the story. We got the Triazicide down at the recommended rate for Sod Webworm or white lawn moth. I did my entire 9,000 square feet at the recommended application rate. I combined it in my backpack sprayer with a shot of microgreen. I went 4 ounces per 1,000. I'll let it sit on the lawn for 24 hours before I do any kind of irrigation. We had an inch of rain last night. We're not supposed to get any more rain today, although it looks overcast, but the weather's saying not gonna happen. If you guys have had any problems with Sod Webworm or these white lawn moths, leave some comments below. Let me know what products you used. Let me know if you didn't treat it. Some people say they don't do too much damage, but I've seen lawns ravaged by Sod Webworm. There may be some folks who will view this video and tell me that was not the moth stage of the Sod Webworm, so I'd be interested in your comments. There were some shots of it earlier on. I'm also including some shots here of what the larva worm and the moth looks like. So let's take a look at those. Get out there, get it done. Stay on top of your turf. It's a lot easier to manage it than waiting for a catastrophe to happen where you get into a major renovation in the fall. Like I said, I am about to start an overseeding project in the next couple weeks. Subscribe to the channel, look for the videos, ring the bell. You know the routine. Following this snippet right here, we're going to time warp ahead a couple days. I'm going to walk the lawn with you, and we're going to see if we've eradicated the lawn moths. So don't go away. Holy moly! It's about 95 degrees here in Jersey. We are getting waffled by a heat wave. So I'm 2 days down post Triazicide application, so let's walk back out where we were and let's see if we have any lawn moths. Okay, so this was the area that I treated the other day. Walking around here, I'm seeing a few, but the load is definitely decreased. But the Triazicide has definitely decreased the lawn moth population. It's almost non-existent out there on the side. So again, lawn moths could lead to Sod Webworm. Not something I want in my turf. So I took some action and it looks like it's pretty effective. Triazicide and similar products you can purchase at the big box stores or on Amazon. I'll leave a link for a comparable product that you can order from Amazon below. Or like I said, you guys saw the bottle, you can go down to your Home Depot, your Lowe's, your Menards, whoever carries similar products, you can pick it up. So successful there, staying on top of things. Again, guys, get out there and get it done. I hope you guys are preparing for your fall overseeding. If that's what you're gonna do, your aeration, whatever you guys have planned. It's been a pretty good season. As you can see here, take a look at the lawn. It's not cut right now, but it's holding up, holding its color. I think it's looking pretty good. And I'll see you guys next time on Lawn Journeys.